Hey everyone, welcome back to Quad Tech. If you're looking to create a professional sales table in Excel that not only looks great, but also does all the calculations for you automatically, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a sales table where you can easily track products, prices, quantities, and get instant totals without any extra work. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking sales, or just want to improve your Excel skills, this tutorial will make it easy to create a polished, efficient table in minutes. So, let's dive into Excel and get started. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and leave a comment if you find this helpful. Here's a summary of what you've done and how to finish the calculation. Created columns. You've set up columns for product, price, quantity, and total. Inserted table. Selected the data range, went to Insert Table, checked my table has headers, and clicked OK. Click on the Cell Total column. Enter the formula by typing. For example, if price is in cell B2 and quantity is in cell C2, type =B2 asterisk C2. Press Enter to validate the formula. Moved grid lines, went to View and unchecked grid lines to give a cleaner look. Excel will automatically fill down the calculation for each row in the total column since it's in a table. This setup will keep your calculations consistent across rows, making the table both organized and functional. Add currency formatting. For the price column, select the cells and apply currency formatting for a consistent look. Go to Home Number Format and select Currency. And that's it! You've now created a professional automated sales table in Excel that handles calculations for you. I hope this tutorial helped simplify the process and made your work easier. If you found it useful, please consider liking the video, subscribing for more tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.